How una dey my people? Today we go talk about top 10 crypto exchange by how people take dey use am, and this list na based on the research wey we don do. But before that, I go like welcome una to my channel CryptoPidgin, where we go dey talk about crypto for pidgin English and everything wey concern crypto. If na first time be this, try to subscribe so that anytime wey we drop better update, you go be the first to know about am. So for crypto space, we get crypto exchange plenty, and as of June this year 2022, coinmarketcap talk say they know about 550 plus crypto exchange wey dey their database. And for this now, e go dey hard make you know or make you find crypto exchange wey dey correct and reliable to use and wey your country ma dey accept. You fit dey ask yourself say why crypto exchange plenty for crypto space? Well, na because no government dey regulate am, na why e plenty be that. So but for this video, we go talk about top centralized exchange by how people take dey use am. No be only that, we go measure am based on how much people take dey trade with am in billions of dollars in every 24 hours, and so use how people take trust them using trust score wey we gather for coingecko, and then come rate am based on how they take dey secure and how they take dey simple for people wey dey use am, especially if you beginner, how you fit take dey how you fit take access am easily. But before we continue, know say this video no be financial advice, and again, know say crypto dey full of risk and investing on am dey very risky. This video na pure information and na for educational purpose, so no forget to do your own research before you start to dey use anyone wey we mention for here. The number one for our list na Binance Exchange. Binance Exchange na number one exchange when you talk about crypto for this world. The average trading wey dey happen for Binance every day wey we know na $20 billion, and for every 24 hours na the money wey dey go inside wey dey comot for Binance Exchange be that. To show you say people dey trade for the platform wella, cause $20 billion no be small money. If you come convert am for naira at the rate of 660, money don go be that. When you talk about trading fees wey we dey call charges, Binance Exchange dey very low, and the more you trade, the more e dey low, and e dey offer bonuses if you dey trade with them every time. And if you dey use them every time, they go give you discount and they go dey give you giveaway too. No be only that, when you dey talk about trading volume, na them be number one for crypto industry. No be only that, they get like 350 coin and also get 1,360 coin pair, which means say when you combine two coin together, you go get more than 1,360. Now wetin we dey call coin pair be that. Another one wey dey be say they get better security, and you no fit hack any of their account for there, so their security dey very tight, and the document wey they take dey verify for the platform no too hard. For like example now, if you dey Nigeria, you fit use your NIN slip take verify your Binance account. That's all, you don start trading be that. So na im be number one for our list today. The number two for our list na Coinbase Exchange. Coinbase Exchange na the second for the list. Why be say na America get am, and na the most well-known crypto exchange wey dey their country, and they don dey start to dey operate since 2012. Their charges no too dey straightforward because of one or two reasons, but last e still dey cheap if you wan compare am with other crypto exchange. And them get like 120 plus coins and over 340 coin pair. They also get better security, and the document to verify am no too hard. They operate for Africa, they operate for Nigeria especially, and they operate for America, and they operate for Canada too. So e dey very popular, and na why people dey use am be that. And because e don tey since 2012 wey e don dey operate, people still dey use am up till today because e dey reliable. The number three for our list na Huobi Global Exchange. Huobi Global Exchange na big crypto exchange, dem ma be too, and their trading volume average na around $2.5 billion every 24 hours. They get like 350 coins too, and dem ma get over 915 coin pair too. Their charges for every trade wey you dey perform there na 0.2%, and they over offer discount if you hold their exchange coin for the platform, and they get a lot of features, a lot of bonuses, a lot of giveaways where they do very very well. When you talk about security too, they try very well, and they not to require higher document for verification. But the bad news wey dey there be say they operate for US and they operate for Canada. The number 4 for our list na KuCoin Exchange. When they talk about exchange, we get plenty coin, we get plenty option. When you talk about trading, na KuCoin be number 1. Na them get them, cause as I dey talk to you now, KuCoin get over 600 coins wey dey their platform, wey dey their exchange, and they get over 1,130 coin pair. Na all country for this world them they accept. If not be say they no dey accept, they work for US. I don't know why. US just dey somehow wey be say no be everything they work for them, but KuCoin no dey work for US, but for other country they work, and their verification not too hard. If you talk about trading volume, they get around 1.3 billion to 4 billion every 24 hours. When I mean billion, I dey talk about dollar, no be naira. So their charges for trading na 0.1%, and they offer discount if they hold their native coin where they call KCS, and it means say KuCoin token. Now they call them. So if you hold them for your wallet for their platform, they offer you discounts if you trade, and they give you giveaway anytime where they trade, and they give you discounts if you trade with them. So for security, they try well. They very very secure. Now why is they the list be that? The number 5 for our list na OKX Exchange. OKX Exchange na they formerly call them OKX Exchange. OKEX. Na him be their name before. So they later change until they remove the E, come put OKX Exchange. Them are a top crypto exchange. Then B2, and their trading volume for every 24 hours now 1.1 to 7.3 billion dollars every 24 hours, and they might get like 315 coins with 500 coin pair too, but they work for US. Their charges fees for trading now around 0.08% to 0.1%, depend on the verification level where you did for their platform. For security, they might try very well, and they know to the request for higher document where you go need to verify their account. Them are the boost of 20 million users, and they work for over 200 countries. As I talk to you now, they work for 200 countries, and they get like 20 million users where they use them every blessed day. The number 6 for our list na LBank. This LBank not too popular like the other one where we don't mention since, but their trading volume average na $2 billion every 24 hours. So if upon say they popular and they still they perform this type of money transaction for their platform, that means say they very very liable. LBank get like 455 coins, and they get over 657 coin pair. They very very accessible for every country including Canada, but they available for US. Their fair trading fees na 0.10% per trade. Very very cheap. The number 7 na Gate.io Exchange. Gate.io Exchange na one big crypto exchange wey be say they get like 10 million registered users, and as we talk to you now, they work for US and Canada, but they work for other country. But you see US and Canada, they work for there. So if you dey US or you dey Canada, if you use Gate.io Exchange, and they might get like 1,300 coin, and they get around 1,990 coin pair to show you say they get plenty coin for their exchange, and their charges they very very low, na 0.2% for every trading fees, and they offer discount well for their platform. They very secure, and they very very reliable too. You fit check them out. The number 8 for our list na Kraken Exchange. Kraken na cryptocurrency exchange wey based for America, and it don dey operate since 2011, and again they work for every state for US. So not be like other ones when they work for US. This Kraken Exchange they work for US, and not be only that, they work for other 176 countries too. Their charges na around 0.20% to 0.26%. You know, too dey high, e dey very very cheap, e dey okay compared to others too. So e dey hard to operate sha, man no lie you. So if you be beginners wey you dey into crypto space, I no go advise you make you use Kraken because e dey hard, e no dey friendly, e no dey user friendly. Although they dey very very secure, you get, but e dey hard to operate. If you be beginners, you no fit operate am. But why I add am to the list be say e dey work for US. So no be, you know say since all those one wey dey mention, they talk say e no dey work for US, but this one dey work for US. Na why we add am to the list be that. They dey very okay, you can check am out. The number 9 for our list, and na my favorite one. I love this one very very well. I love upon say they get wahala, I love them. Na crypto.com exchange. Crypto.com exchange na one of the very best exchange because they get feature plenty for their users, and e don dey operate since 2016, and their trading volume for every 24 hours na around $1 billion. Na they transact every day. They no too get coin like that sha, but they get like 250 coin. So e dey work for over 90 countries for this world. Now e dey operate for 90 countries wey include US. They dey work for US and they dey work for Canada. If you dey US, you dey Canada, you fit access crypto.com, and they get over 15 million users so far. Yes, 15 million users na they get so far, and they still dey get more. And that thing be say they no get website sha. Na their problem be that they no get website. Na only mobile app they get. And to show you say crypto.com exchange na one big exchange, they dey partner with FIFA World Cup wey dey come up 2022 around December time. No be only that, they dey partner with PSG Football Club, and they dey partner with one brand for F1 racing like that. All those car race now, they get one of their team wey dey partner to, and other plenty big brand wey crypto.com exchange dey partner with. And e dey very secure. We talk about security, crypto exchange dey very very secure, and e dey very very easy to access, and e dey very very easy to verify. Their charges no hard. Their charges na around 0.004% to 0.1%. Very 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 cheap for all the whole platform, for the whole exchange wey we don dey talk about since. They also dey offer crypto ATM card. Na why I love them be that. Although people dey complain say the crypto ATM machine no too plenty for the whole world, although you know say crypto still dey come now, but at least say they get crypto ATM card wey you fit collect, take dey withdraw for any ATM wey dey accept crypto, or you fit use am dey take dey pay for any online platform wey dey accept crypto. They dey offer Visa card for crypto, and no be virtual card they dey offer. You go request for am and they go send am to you. Now why I love crypto.com be that. Na my favorite for this list. Na be that. And they get better amazing features wey dey there. They get features wey we no fit talk about for this video. Although we fit still make another video wey we go talk about crypto.com only, and go tell you plenty feature wey dey. So if you never subscribe to the channel, so that once we drop the video, you go see the video and you go watch am and you go love am, and you go see better things wey crypto.com exchange dey do. The last one for our list wey be number 10 na ByBit. ByBit dey try also, and they provide in-depth trading analysis to their customer. They also get very supportive customer support. Yes, they very supportive. Once you talk to them, they answer you quick, and they secure too. Their charges na 0.1%. E dey very very cheap too. If they hear all the whole other charges of each platform wey we talk about, you go know say 0.1% dey very very cheap compared to the list. And again, they provide API for developers. Now one of the reasons why I mention them for this list be that, because if you be developers wey dey into crypto, wey we dey call Web3, you fit use, they provide API wey you fit use take develop your app or develop your software. If you be Web3 developer, they talk about. So now one of the reasons we will mention them for this list be that. The bonus one where we get na sex.io, na the spelling be that. They don't take for crypto space sha, as they don dey operate since 2013. and they get like 3 million users too. E dey very very easy to access if you be user, as if you be beginners. They dey very very easy to access, they dey very user friendly. And one of the things wey make me list them for this list na be say since they don dey operate since 2013, they never get any news say they don hack them or hack any account wey they get before, which means say e dey very safe and e dey very secure for all the whole cryptocurrency exchange wey we don dey mention too. And another thing wey make me list them for this list na be say their customer support na 24/7, and you fit contact them with email, phone number, or you fit even live chat them. They go reply you quick. And for all again, they operate for all the whole country and including US and Canada. So if you dey US, if you dey Canada, or you get person wey dey US or person wey dey Canada wey wan send you money through crypto, this sex.io dey operate for there, so they fit use am. And their charges no too big like that. They dey charge around 0.20% to 0.25%. So e dey cheap. Na why we mention them. But the major reason wey we mention them for this list na because e dey very safe. Na im be the safest cryptocurrency exchange wey dey this list, and they dey secure because if they operate since 2013, wey they never hack you or wey they never hack any of your user account, that means say you dey very very secure be that. Na why we mention them for this list as bonus for you be that. So you fit check them out and you fit verify too. So we don round the video up be that, as we don give you 11 crypto exchange and we don tell you why we choose them. We don give you reasons why we choose them, and we don tell you wetin they dey do, why we make us choose them. So make you go research, then you go come back, know the one wey you go dey use. But before that, we go drop the link to all the whole crypto exchange wey we don mention. In case you wan try any of them out, you go just go to the description box, click on am, then you go register and you go start to dey test them. So remember say I go remind you say I no be financial advisor, so make you try do your own research before you decide which of the exchange you want dey use or you want to invest on. And again, as I talk am before, we go drop link to register for any of this exchange wey we don talk about today below. And if they get one wey you know say dey try and they be better, they dey secure, they dey friendly based on research, you fit comment on the comment section so that people, especially me, go try see whether they dey good, so that in case we dey drop on that list, we fit add them to the list. So thank you say you don watch reach this side. If you learn from the video, no forget to like and share to friends and family, make them learn too. And if you never subscribe to the channel, abeg try and subscribe to the channel too. Anything wey you learn, just comment am below, and if you no understand, comment below, we go reply you. Thank you again. We go see for the next video wey I go drop soon. Thank you. No forget to subscribe. Thank you.